Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx trader right here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you something very interesting, what we actually discussed in my Telegram group yesterday. We had a live section yesterday. So if you are not in my Telegram channel, you have opportunity to join the channel. I will leave the link in the description of this video so that if you want to join, you click on the link to join. All right. So in the live section, we actually discussed a lot of things. So if you are in the live section yesterday, drop a comment. Okay, drop a comment and tell me what you learned yesterday during the section. All right. So now basically what we discussed yesterday was how to become or remain consistently making money in the forex market. How to become a consistent, profitable trader. Okay, that's the main thing we discussed yesterday. Okay, so the summary is I shared with you guys why most of us have lost it, okay, when it comes to forex market. The reason why we keep losing money, some of the reasons anyways, the primary reasons, like fear of losing money, fear of being wrong, fear of missing out, fear of leaving profit on the table, and all that, and because we are humans, okay, we are wired in such a way that we wouldn't like to, we always try our best to avoid making mistakes or avoid those things that we are afraid of. Anything you fear, you tend to avoid those things, and that's exactly what happens. Most of us, we try to avoid losing. We don't want to lose money. We don't want to be wrong. We always want to be right. If we are speculating that the price should go up or the price might be going up, it should just go. We don't want the price to go against us. We want to control the price, something we don't have control over. We want to control the market. Okay, some of us are always afraid of missing out. We're always there looking at opportunity. Even you start seeing something where there is nothing. Okay, and fear of leaving profits on the table. When you are making money, when you see yourself in profits, you tend to close your profits on time. Okay, but when you are losing, you keep expanding your stop loss. Okay, that means you are maximizing your losses and minimizing your profit, which is the problem. Okay, you have to maximize your profit and minimize your losses. Those are the things we actually discussed yesterday, and how to conquer those things. Okay, so you need to understand that, okay, these things are something you can't avoid. So you attempting to avoid this thing is going to cause you more harm than good. The only thing you need to do is to devise a strategy or a system that will keep you profitable even in the midst of losses. Okay, even in the midst of losses, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter or year, you are profitable. That's the major thing. That is the main thing. Okay, so because of this, I've decided to bring back my 1-month mentorship program just for the month of October. Okay, I've stopped it already for a very long time, but I'm bringing it back again just to share with you few things you need to know. Okay, few things you need to know, what to focus on. Most of us are focusing on a lot of things, and I told them yesterday that every strategy works. Whether you are trading indicators, whether you are trading candlesticks, you are trading support and resistance, trend lines, you use different trading patterns, okay, or maybe other price action, or even you're a fundamental trader, anyone, it works. It all depends on the system you build around it and the rules you set. And most of us are losing money because there's no rule guiding us trading the forex market. You can buy anytime you want, you can sell anytime you want, you can close your profit or loss or all those things. And those are the reasons why we find it difficult to make money. Some of us don't have a rule or rules guiding us, okay, guiding our system of trading. All right, and that is exactly why I'm giving another opportunity for people who are serious, who want to learn trading the right way, who want to create their own strategy. So I'm going to be teaching you how to build a system that will work for you. Okay, build a system that will personally work for you, not just looking for someone that will help you, flip account from $1,000 to $20,000 in a day and all those things. So you need to understand how these things work. Okay, that's what we are going to be learning. Okay, and we are also going to be, holding ourselves responsible. We are going to be holding ourselves responsible for this 1 month. Okay, try to make sure that within this 1 month we are going to see a positive result in our trading. Okay, we are going to be seeing blues, okay, towards this, because some of us have already given up. Some people are already planning for next year. Why this year they still have opportunity to make it big this year? All right. So not just that, I'm going to be sharing my strategies. Okay, I'm going to be sharing my strategy. Then I've developed a robot, a trading robot for boom and crash. Okay, so I'll be giving out the robot free of charge. Okay, I'm going to be giving out the robot free of charge for people who will attend or who will be partake or participate in this 1 month mentorship program. They will be the first to test the robot with me. Okay, now I've been using the robot privately, but I needed to give it out to some people, and I will be sharing it after the class. I'll also be sharing 2 books that changed my life, 2 trading books that changed my life. Okay, when it comes to trading. Okay, I'm going to be sharing those things free. All these things I'm mentioning is free of charge. I'm going to share those things free. All right, so I will also teach you how to get funded if you are trading, or you know how to trade but you don't actually know how to go about it, getting money, or how to get a funded account. I'm going to also teach you or show you how to do that, and also show you some system that you can actually use, to do that easily. Okay, and all these things, okay, all these things I'm going to be giving out free of charge, but the mentorship is not going to be free. Okay, it's going to be $70 instead of $100. Okay, it's 70. Then look at the amazing part of it. If you have paid for my course, okay, if you have purchased the full course on synthetic indices crash course, okay, if you have purchased the full course, then the training, the mentorship program is free for you. Okay, all you need to do is to come to Telegram, send a message to me at kingsfx trader, Once you send a message, send your email to me. I will verify if you have purchased a course. Okay, if you have purchased the course, I will just give you access to the training. Okay, but if you have not purchased the course, you simply pay $70 for this class. Okay, so you don't have to do any other thing apart from this. Now if you want to register for this course, it's very simple. I will leave the link to my website in the description of this video for you to access the website, or you go to your chats, or sorry, you go to your browser and type in kingsfxtraders.com, kingsfxtraders, okay, .com, which is this. Okay, this one. Once you type kingsfxtraders.com on your browser, you are going to see yourself right here. Okay, all you have to do, if you have registered already, you log in. If you have not registered, you register right here. Okay, after registering, you click on mentorship, which is this right here. You click on join mentorship. Once you click on it, you are going to see some mentorship program here. We have the 1 year, which is 399. We have 1 month, which is 99. But this one is the one I'm talking about, which is this special class. Okay, sorry, this special class right here. So you can see it's $70. Okay, so if you look here, you are going to see the date. It started yesterday, being 29th, and it's going to end on 8th of the registration is going to end on 8th of next month. Okay, 8th of October, that is when the registration will end. So if you did not register till 8th of next month, that's all. So if you just come here, all you need to do is click on join. Okay, just click on join. So once you click on join, you can actually pay with your card, which is this one here. You can pay with your card, or you pay with cryptocurrency. So anyone, you can actually pay with your card or cryptocurrency. If you want to pay with crypto, just click on crypto and click on continue. Okay, once you select crypto, you select continue. Then come here, you choose either paying with USDT or BTC, anyone. Then after that, you click on continue. Okay, you just come here and copy the wallet address you have here. Remember, once you finish paying, that's why I'm showing this one for cryptocurrency. If you are paying with crypto, once you finish paying, you come down here and click on confirm, a request payment confirmation. Okay, once you finish paying, screenshot the withdrawal. Okay, if you are using crypto, screenshot it, come here, click request payment confirmation for me to confirm that you have paid. Okay, if you are paying with crypto. But if you are paying with your card, you don't need to do anything. Just once you pay, you will gain access immediately if you are paying with your card. But if you are paying with crypto, your payment needs to be confirmed. Okay, so once you click here, you will now click on this section to upload the image you have saved. Okay, you just click there to upload the image. Once you are done, you click on continue, and that's all. Okay, that's all you need to do if you are paying with currency. All right, so that's the payment process. If you're paying with card, it's the same thing. Click on card option, put in your card detail, and that's all. Okay, so that's that for this video. Remember, all we are going to be focusing on is how to become consistent, profitable trader. Okay, we are not going to, it's not like a beginner stuff here. It's not like a crash course. No, we are not going to start define what is forex trading or looking at what is support or resistance. Those things we are not going to. We are just going to be focusing on becoming a consistent, profitable trader. All you need to do, we are going to be creating a system ourselves, and we are going to be setting some rules, okay, which we have to follow, and we have to hold ourselves responsible for this 1 month to make sure that, okay, we stick to the rules and we play the game by the rules. Okay, and that's exactly what we are going to be doing for this 1 month. So if you would love to join, the link to the website, okay, will be in the description of this video. Just click on it, make payment, and that's all. Okay, so remember, the deadline is going to be on 8th of October 2022. I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye for now, guys.